Here is a Netflix clone. I called it Notflix And Chill. I'm using Firebase for authentication and as a database, Node on the back end, React on the front end, specifically using compound styled components, and Fuse.js for fuzzy search. So here on the home page, you can see there's a big call to action, followed by a few jumbotrons explaining the service, and some frequently asked questions which replicate their animation that they have on their homepage. Another call to action, and then a footer. So scrolling back to the top, you can see in the top right there's a sign in button, meaning that once you sign in, those routes are protected. So for example, if I go to browse, it actually takes me right back to the home page. So I'll sign up using this call to action, and when I press enter, the email input on the sign up page is populated with that email, and I'm using React Router DOM to handle that state. So I'll finish signing up and I'll type in a password, and you can see the sign up button is disabled, but once I have enough characters, it becomes enabled. So here we are on the profiles page. Obviously I just signed up, so I should have just one profile, but I wanted to show that multiple profiles are possible. Now that we are signed in, if I try to go to the home page, we actually just get routed right back to this profiles page. So when I select my profile, you'll see a little spinner that simulates fetching profile data. And here we are logged into our profile. So scrolling down, you see there are rows of genres. And if I hover over any of these series, there's an overlay showing the title and a little write-up. And clicking on it displays a little feature card with the rating and a play button. You can close it out, or when you open it, you can just click the series again and it toggles it. Now the play button is for playing a trailer, for example. Right now I just have this 10-second little placeholder clip. But getting out of that, I can go ahead and show the responsiveness. So here we are below 1000 pixels, but going above it, we actually have this big hero. And then below 1000, it goes away. Just to show, these are additional films. So series and films are our categories. And here's the search, again using Fuse.js. If I search for Arthur, for example, here it pulls up Arthur. If I type in Tiger, we get Tiger King. And then closing out of it clears it out. So hovering over the profile image, it shows your name and then the ability to sign out. And signing out brings us to the home page. Here is a demonstration of how responsive it is. So rows collapse down to columns. And so there you have it, a Netflix clone, Notflix and Chill.